Das Green Building Council in Singapur gilt als eine der fortschrittlichsten und effizientesten Organisationen für nachhaltiges Bauen. Bereits 2011, nur 5 Jahre nach seiner Gründung, wurde es vom World Green Building Council für seine Erfolge ausgezeichnet. Der Gründungspräsident des Singapore Green Building Councils über den Ursprung und den Anspruch seiner Organisation.
The green building movement was actually initiated jointly with the government. The government started it off first. The Building and Construction Authority wanted to have a way to help the industry move on to a higher level of technology and capability. So those of us who are practitioners in the industry, we came together and we also helped the government, the Building and Construction Authority, to come up with ideas on how to grow and to implement the green building program for the whole country.
Eine wichtige Voraussetzung für eine zukunftsfähige Entwicklung des nachhaltigen Bauens sind Fachkräfte.
The Green Building Master Plan goes all the way into even looking at how we should train the manpower, because we reckon that over the next 10 years we will need at least 18,000 specially trained workers at all the different levels, from professional all the way right down to the technicians and the people who even maintain the building. So that's why we need a master plan. In a way, green buildings, we talk about green buildings being sustainable. But you know, when you start looking at the whole thing, you have to be economically sustainable as well to make sure that the whole thing will work. The other thing that we also focus on is to look at the payback. Yes, you spend a bit more upfront in capital cost, but you will earn all that back in 3 years, in 5 years. And then after that, for the 30, 40, 50 years that you use the building, you'll be saving money every year. We now have got buildings that we have done where we can save $1 or $2 million in energy costs every year.
Eines der ältesten und innovativsten Architekturbüros des Landes ist Ong&Ong. Durch konsequente integrative Planung trägt das Büro maßgeblich dazu bei, die nachhaltige Entwicklung in Singapurs Gebäudesektor voranzutreiben.
Ong&Ong has been around for almost 40 years now. We have around 1,000 built projects. We have around 600 plus staff, and we have offices in almost 6 countries. And we're going almost every day. Sustainability is a core value which we actually look forward to in Ong&Ong. It's one of the main principles that drives us. We strive to have excellence in design, which is also sustainable. And I think that is what sets us apart as a design firm. We have an integrated design approach where we have architects, structural engineers, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, landscape designers, interior designers, project managers, all working towards a common goal. And it is an integrated approach where there's a lot of interaction right from the concept design stage. My vision for Singapore is that in the coming years, it will become not only a regional hub, but a global hub for sustainable design and innovation. And I think there are good enough pointers that it's possible. Singapore is a country that actually believes in taking the lead in whatever it does. And I think the government has shown so far that they are quite serious about green architecture and green planning. So I think it's just we need to continue from where we are and push forward. And I'm sure that in the coming years, there'll be a lot more green projects. There'll be a lot of more opportunities for green architects. For fresh graduates who are coming into this field to actually be part of something that is global and holistic.
Nicht nur im südostasiatischen Raum nimmt Singapur schon heute eine klare Vorreiterrolle ein, wenn es um die Gestaltung einer nachhaltigen Zukunft geht. Das ist nicht allein auf die enorme Kapitalkraft der internationalen Handels- und Finanzmetropole zurückzuführen, sondern vor allem auch auf die Entschlossenheit und dem ausgeprägten Willen, dem inoffiziellen Titel Greenest City on Earth alle Ehre zu machen.